To my kind son Bailey, and to my beautiful daughter Allison, I pray you find this post one day when you're in your darkest hour. Your youth is going to be a time of exciting discovery and transformation. There were a lot of things I wish I'd known then that I know now. Like how it's okay to just take a step back, take a deep breath, and enjoy the ride. You don't have to have it all figured out yet. Which college to go to, what major should you choose, what kind of job you want to do for the rest of your life. But honestly, there are no right decisions. There is no one way your life can go, whatever that might be. There will be hundreds, even thousands of different paths your life can take, and you have plenty of time to change your direction if you are unhappy. Your dad says it's okay. Seriously, it's okay. Who knows? 5 years from now, your goals may be different. You won't be the same person you are now. Believe me, I know. Your friendships will be tested. You'll go through many heartbreaks. Many heartbreaks. Many failures. Many disappointments. You'll learn most things won't work out the way you intended. Learn to make the best of a bad situation. Learn to be flexible and adjust to the unexpected. Life will throw you many curveballs, but you might discover the path you least expected is the path you may enjoy even more. Lastly, relax. You don't need to try so hard all the time to make your dad proud of you. You don't need to be wealthy to show me you succeeded, because your kindness and your happiness will be the only indication I need to know that I've succeeded as your father.